What's up, guys? It's your boy Valentino from Oleka Travels. This is the best channel to be at, or YouTube spot to be at, just for the traveling scene, cinematics, our aerial shots, drone shots, GoPro shots, underwater shots, all of us eating great foods, desserts, being the best scenes, best places to be at, tour spots, everything you guys can think of. This is Oleka Travel. I'm happy for you guys to be here. This is my first day in the Philippines. This arrived here, longest flight of my life, but it's pretty good. So right now it's like 1 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to start editing. I'll be showing you guys 5 tips and tricks for this YouTube video. Peace. Are we ready?
Stop recording me.
You miss me?
Yes.
Are you? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Wow! What's good, YouTube? It's been a long time. My name is Valentino. This is Oleka Travel. Unfortunately, Peter's not here just because he has work. But we're gonna still have a good time and have this vacation to ourselves. We're gonna go eat food, be little fatties, eat food, be fatties, and just travel. Right now we're in LA. I came from Las Vegas to LA. Didn't know that I would have to grab all my stuff in the check-in baggage stuff and bring it to check-in again for international, but you know, this is what you get. You know, right now I got the iPhone 11, so this is taking the iPhone 11 video shots. If you guys want to get the iPhone 11, I choose to get it. There is a few bugs with it, little glitches and things, but other than the quality, this camera is amazing, and that's why I got it. We got Asiana Airlines, so I booked my flights at Aigo or Kayak. And Kayak actually gave me a deal for $560 round trip to go to the Philippines, so I'm thankful for that. Thank you guys, Kayak. And right now I got my great green tea caramel frap. But yeah, we're doing good. So first step into traveling, do your research. Just because you don't know if you're going to be doing a connecting flight, or if you do know you're doing a connecting flight, you don't know where to go exactly. So I always do my research, just figure out, hey, do I have to get my stuff in the baggage claim, and do I have to get that away? Because now I realize, do your research. Second thing, always be early. I cannot stress this enough. You could be 2 to 3 hours early. That's the best time, I believe, for you to be early, just because when you're rushing within 1 hour, you have things like security you have to go through, and sometimes security grabs all your stuff and they look through it and then they pull it aside, and now you were wasting another 15 minutes trying to figure that out. Just come early. 2-3 hours is not that bad. Most of the time you're probably going to be chilling here looking at your phone, so just come early. Tip number 3. Before you leave, if you're going to be traveling and videographing or doing your cinematic shots or doing any videos or just taking photography, charge your batteries. I suggest to charge your batteries, just because you don't want to be in a situation where you think this is a good shot, or you want to have your phone, or you want to have your laptop, and you pull it up, first thing you turn this power button on, and next thing you know, it's off. That's the most worst situation you could be in. There's been times when I take videos and it just dies halfway when I want to get that good shot, and I just think to myself, get those batteries or charge those batteries. And that gets me to number 4. Tip number 4, buy batteries. Just because, you know, there's power banks. Power banks are the best things. I have a 10,000 power bank, and it works pretty well. It charges my iPhone about 2-3 times. But yeah,